Hey everyone, and welcome back. We're diving deep today.
Into calorie counting.
Exactly.
Hmm.
Specifically for weight loss.
Big topic.
Huge. We've got tons of research and interesting points to cover.
Yeah, some stuff I think will really surprise people.
Me too. So to get us started, everyone always says calories in, calories out.
Oh, yeah. The age-old saying.
But is it really that simple?
Well, it is.
Okay.
And it isn't.
I knew there had to be a catch.
There's always a catch. But so at a very basic level, yeah, it is about balancing the energy you take in with the energy you burn.
So remind me what exactly a calorie.
A calorie is just a unit of measurement.
Okay.
It measures energy.
Okay.
The energy your body gets from the food we eat and the drinks we drink.
Okay. So like if I drink this sparkling water.
0 calories.
0 calories. So no energy from that.
Nope.
But if I had a big slice of cake.
Ooh, that's a lot of calories. That's a lot of energy your body can use
To do things like
shooting.
recording this deep dive.
Exactly. And if you eat more calories,
Then you burn.
yeah, that excess energy has to go somewhere.
And it goes
to our hips. Well, to fat stores, basically.
Makes sense.
Oh.
So then to lose weight, we have to make sure.
To burn more than you consume.
But how many calories should we be aiming for each day?
So you know how much to burn.
Exactly.
Well, there are some general guidelines.
Right.
On average, men need around 2,400 calories per day, and women need around 1,800.
So that's the magic number. 1,800 for me.
Well, not quite. It really depends on a lot of factors.
Like what?
Well, how active are you?
I go on a walk most days.
Okay, so pretty active.
What else? Your age,
Getting older every day.
your metabolism, and even genetics play a role.
So 1,800 is just a starting point.
It's a very rough average.
Okay, so how do we figure out our own individual calorie needs?
Well, that's where calorie counting comes in.
Oh, okay.
A lot of people think calorie counting is all about restricting yourself and being miserable.
Yeah, I've heard. But it's really not about that at all. It's more about awareness.
Okay.
By tracking the calories you're consuming.
You get a better idea of what you're actually eating.
Exactly. And then you can make more informed choices.
So like if I know that that muffin I had for breakfast was 400 calories.
Ooh.
That's a lot for breakfast.
It's delicious, though. But, okay, so if I know it's 400 calories, then maybe I'll choose a lighter lunch.
Exactly. You start to see patterns in your eating.
And make adjustments.
Exactly.
But I gotta ask, does simply being aware of calories actually help people lose more weight?
Oh, yeah, there's good evidence for this.
Really?
This study from back in 2014 found that people who tracked their calories lost over 7 pounds more per year.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Than those who didn't track.
That's a whole dress size.
Basically. But there is a potential downside.
I was gonna say nothing's perfect.
Right. You can get too focused on the numbers.
Instead of what?
On the nutritional value of the foods you're eating.
Right. So 100-calorie pack of cookies
Is not going to nourish you the same way as a 100-calorie salad.
Exactly. It's about making sure you're getting the nutrients your body needs.
While also staying within your calorie goal.
Exactly.
So we need to think about quality and quantity.
Yes. And I know you're big on exercise.
Gotta get my steps in.
So it's super important to combine calorie awareness with other healthy habits like exercise.
And a balanced diet.
Absolutely.
Speaking of balanced diets, we have to talk about carbs.
Ooh, boy, carbs get such a bad rap.
I know. Everyone's always trying to cut them out completely.
Well, that's really not necessary.
Yeah.
Not all carbs are created equal.
Okay.
There are good carbs and bad carbs.
Give me an example of a good carb.
Fiber-rich whole grains.
Like brown rice.
Yes. Brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread.
Okay, I eat those.
Those are good carbs.
So why are those good for weight loss?
Well, fiber is a type of carb that your body can't actually digest.
Okay.
So it doesn't contribute to your calorie intake.
That's good.
But it makes you feel full and satisfied.
So you don't overeat. Interesting. Anything else?
Oh, yeah. Fiber also slows down digestion.
Oh, okay.
Which helps to regulate your blood sugar levels.
So no sugar crashes.
No crazy energy spikes and crashes.
I hate those.
And plus, different types of fiber have different benefits.
Like what?
Soluble fiber helps lower cholesterol.
And where do I find soluble fiber?
Oats, beans, things like that.
Okay, good to know.
And then there's insoluble fiber,
Okay.
which helps keep things moving smoothly through your digestive system.
If you know what I mean.
Exactly. You can find insoluble fiber in whole grains and veggies.
Okay, so basically carbs aren't the enemy.
Not at all.
But we need to choose the right kinds of carbs.
The good carbs.
The ones with fiber.
Yes.
This is so interesting. I'm learning so much.
Deep.
So to wrap things up, that's the one key takeaway you want our listeners to remember.
I think the most important thing is to find what works for you.
Okay.
Don't get caught up in trying to be perfect.
Right.
Start with small changes that you can stick with.
What?
Swapping sugary drinks for water.
Easy enough.
Choosing whole grains over refined grains.
Okay.
Adding an extra serving of veggies to your plate.
I can do that.
Every little bit makes a difference.
I love that. It's about progress, not perfection.
Exactly.
And this whole conversation has me thinking,
What's that?
what about calorie density?
Ooh, interesting.
Some foods have fewer calories per bite.
Yeah, calorie density is a great tool for weight management.
I was thinking like a cup of grapes is way more filling than a cup of raisins.
Exactly, even though they have roughly the same number of calories.
So choosing foods with lower calorie density
can help you feel fuller on fewer calories.
This has been so eye-opening. I feel like I have a whole new understanding of how to approach weight loss.
Me too.
Thank you so much for all this great information.
Of course, it was my pleasure.
And for our listeners out there, keep exploring, and remember, your health journey is unique to you.
Find what works for you.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. We'll see you next time.